Hey you guys, okay, this is my third video of the day. Anyways, so I'm actually just about to transfer everything I have in my current bag that I'm currently using into my new bag, which is the Fendi Peekaboo with the Fendi Defender cover on it. And I'm still trying to like loosen this side so it like flares out. Okay, so lately I've been carrying my Gucci Mini Marmont in the red velvet with the gold hardware. It's beautiful. So it's not really that much to transfer. So I just have my pochette in here. Some, what is this? Cleansing wipes, SD card. I'm gonna keep that in there. Feminine products and some receipt and some cash. I never really take out the cash in my purses because you never really know when you're gonna need it, so I just always leave cash in my purse when I have cash. So I will put this away now. And here is the Fendi. So in the front, I'm just gonna keep these in the back actually. So back here, there's a little pocket, zippered pocket that has the security tags and everything. So that's where I'm gonna just put that so it's kind of concealed. Oh, this is such a cute detail. So on the zipper, let me see if I can show you guys. On the zipper, it has the double F's right here. Can you guys see that? Oh, that's such a cute detail. Okay, anyways. And then I'm going to put my stuff in my pochette, which I just have some feminine products, powder, lip liner, eyeliner, tweezers, lip balm, and eyelash glue. And this really cute bracelet that my friend got me when he was traveling abroad. This bracelet is made of bamboo and just has a bunch of charms, and he knows that I love owls, so there's a little owl charm on it. So cute. So I just keep that in here, and I put that in the front of the bag, and it fits perfectly. I've been using my Louis Vuitton clay for my wallets and cards. Put that in here in the back. And I use my Dolce & Gabbana for like points cards and business cards. I should put my driver's license back here, but I like to just keep it with my debit cards together just in case I just need to grab my ID and debit card real quick to just run a quick errand. I just have it already in my clay. But I have that also. Don't forget my phone. So I have my phone right here. I'm gonna just put that in the back. And I've heard women say they just close the back but leave the front open for security. So let's try that. Let me, oh man. Okay, close up the bag, and you can even carry it this way if you don't want to show all this. And here's how it looks. Actually, I think I want it closed. How's that look? And still flare out. So cute. Oh, I love it. Aww, it does get pretty heavy. Probably because it's full leather, the bag. I mean, the cover isn't really heavy, but just the leather of the bag and like everything I have in it makes it weigh it down a little bit more. But yeah, this is what I have in my bag, I guess, for the meantime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!